All right, good morning, boys and girls. We're doing chapter 11, lesson 2. We're going to be converting units of length. So we really don't want to use the book for a lot this time. The only thing we really want to use is this chart down here at the bottom. So you want to leave your math book open to this page 807, and then you want to head over to quizzes in a minute. I would maybe make some notes here because we're going to go through the flashcards again like we did last week. All right, so here we go. Again, you should go through these flashcards so you know what you're doing. So if you look at your chart, there are 3 feet in every yard. So in 9 yards, that would be 9 times 3 feet in each yard. So that's going to be 27 feet. So look again. Yep, there we go, 27 feet. And you have to go back to that chart. Let's go back, actually. Let's take a step back. So see how there's 1 yard is 3 feet. So in that case, there were 9 yards here. So if this is multiplied by 9, then you would multiply this by 9. So again, that gives you 27 feet. Okay, I think we'll keep coming back and forth this way. I think it's the easiest way to show you guys. All right, so we want to know how many inches are in 8 feet. So let's go back again. If we have 1 foot is 12 inches, then we have 8 feet. So this is multiplied by 8, then 12 multiplied by 8. Now, here's the situation. If you don't know how to multiply your 12s, then you're in trouble here. So you're probably going to have to write down on a piece of paper all the multiples of 12 so that you can get this. Because going back here, it was 8 feet again. So if we take 8 feet here, we multiply this by 8. And let's check our options. Hopefully you're already answering what it is. Should be 96 inches. Okay. I don't want to do the work for you guys, but I want you to really understand the process because that's really what's important here. So this time we're going from 5 feet to how many inches? So how many inches are in 5 feet? So if I put a 5 here, 5 feet, then I'm going to multiply this by 5. So again, 12 times 5, I'm going to give you a minute to think about it while I turn my page. Okay, it should be 60 inches. All right, let's go to the next one. 3 feet has how many inches? So how many inches in 3 feet? Go back to our chart again. We have 3 feet. Well, we have 1 foot equals 12 inches. So if I'm multiplying this by 3, I'm also multiplying this by 3. So let's look at our options. 3 times 12 would be what? 36 inches. All right. Now we're getting into yards and feet. So if we have 2 yards equals how many feet? Let's go back here. So if I make this a 2, then there's 1 yard has 3 feet. So if there's 2 yards, I'm going to multiply 3 times 2, which should give us 6 feet. Okay, now we want to go 15 feet has how many yards? So this one's a little bit different. So 15 feet. If I have 15, I'm now making this side 15. So we're going backwards now this time. So if this one is 15 feet, I have to do 15 divided by 3 is 5. So I go over here and I multiply this by 5. So there would be 5 yards in 15 feet. And as you get a little more used to this, you won't have to be checking your chart all the time. You'll just have it in your head. Okay, so how many feet are in 6 yards? So let's look over here. If I make 1 yard has 3 feet, so if I make this 6, I'm multiplying this by 6. So 6 times 3 is 18 feet. Okay, let's keep going. Now we're looking at how many inches are in 7 feet. Now, if you know that there's 12 inches in a foot, do you need to go check your chart, or can you just do this in your head? Hopefully you know there are 12 inches in every foot. So 12 times 7, again, if you know your multiplication facts, you would know that was 84. This is why Miss Val and I have been nagging at you all year to learn those multiplication math facts and really all your math facts. All right, how many inches are in 5 feet? Well, again, I know that there's 12 inches in every foot. So if there's 12 inches in 1 foot, I need to do 12 times 5. 60 inches. Okay, how many inches are in 4 feet? Same thing, you guys know this one, we just did it. So we take that 12 inches times 4, and we get 48 inches. All right, and we're on our last one here. So how many feet are in 3 yards? Well, you can either check your chart or you can try to remember how many feet are in a yard. Let's just check it just to be sure. So we go back and we say, wait, there's 3 feet in every yard. So let's look at this again. If there's 3 feet in every yard, then I need to do 3 times 8, which would give us how many feet total? 24 feet. Okay, and that's what we're doing today, you guys. It's actually kind of fun and it's not that hard as long as you use the chart and you know your multiplication facts. If you're struggling with your 12s, like I said, write it down. 12, 24, 36, 48. Write down all your multiples so that you have them there. And you might even want to use this amazing Chromebook that you were given to use to try to practice some of your math facts, okay? All right, have a good day.